So even I didn't believe in things like astrology and all. The customers tend to remember the brand in the long term when they get such stories, such storytelling campaigns from the brand itself.
I think everyone here, we all are constantly worried about our future. And I think our next team has a solution for it. And here comes the team, Brave Bharat. And the team members are Pratik, Ashutosh Tiwari, and Jeevan Jyoti. All the best, team.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, honorable judges and all my brothers and sisters present here. Yeah, because I have my one in my hometown, so no issues on that. Yeah. So what if I tell you that I can tell you your future? Maybe not exactly the future, but we all have a lot. Maybe some of you have relationships, right? So what if I tell you that I can tell you when are you gonna have some good moments and when are you gonna have some kind of situations when you will be having a breakup or something? Wouldn't it be a little guided wise or wouldn't it be a little exciting? So even I didn't believe in things like astrology and all. My family and my parents didn't believe on all this. And but recently, before maybe 6 to 7 months, I met someone, and he told me a lot of things which I didn't knew about. Like no one else knew other than me and my family, and it got me really interested. And then I, started learning more about this. And today in this ad war, we are presenting. Ad on the brand which is the biggest player in the astrology industry, and it is AstroTalk. So it is founded by Mr. Puneet Gupta and Anmol Jain in 2017. And recently, if I add some stats, they have done the last year they have done a total revenue of 282 crores and a profit of 27 crores. Recently, in this month itself, June itself, there's a news that they've they have been funded almost around $14 million, and like they are really doing good in this sector. So let's get into this brand and let's look into a little about how they're positioning themselves and what are the personality traits the particular brand has. So when we have been through the ads of this brand, when we have analyzed the ads of the brand, we got to know that they are trying to build a kind of trust and authenticity into the among the people, right? So astrology is something a lot of people are somewhat hesitant, and there are a lot of skeptics into the market. So they've been presenting the things like that so that they can build some good trust and trustworthiness among the people. So I've all seen the celebrities coming up, so it builds a kind of authenticity among the people. Then if we look into the target audience of this brand, we got to know that the age segment they're targeting is 18 to 35 mostly, and the location is around they marketed for the people in urban areas with some income bracket of mid to some high level. There's an interesting fact. They've thought that while starting this brand, they've thought the target audience would be tier 2 and tier 3 cities. But that's the beauty of business. After running few ads, they got to know that most of the audience and most of the revenue they're getting is from the tier 1 cities and not tier 2 or tier 3 cities. So before getting into the more strategies and all which you have done for making this brand, this ad, let's look into the ad itself.
बचपन से मन था डॉक्टर बनूंगा। फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट नहीं हुआ, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट भी गया, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट 4 मार्क्स से रह गया। बहुत डिवास्टेटेड था, सोच रहा था मन पापा को क्या बोलूँगा, सुसाइडल थॉट्स भी आ रहे थे। हार गया था मैं। वो एक दिन था और आज एक दिन। एस्ट्रोडॉक ने मेरी लाइफ को एक डायरेक्शन दिया। उसके बाद मैंने बिजनेस परस्यू किया और मैंने एम्ब्रोशिया मिनार की शुरुआत की। आज आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ एम्ब्रोशिया मिनार, द ओनली कोकोलिका ब्रांड इन इंडिया, एंड हम बहुत जल्द 5 करोड़ की रेवेन्यू तक टच करने वाले हैं। आई थैंक एस्ट्रोडॉक, क्योंकि शायद उस कंसल्टेशन की वजह से आज मैं इस स्थिति में। इन्होंने तो अपना करियर सही कर लिया, आप कब कर रहे हो? चूज एस्ट्रोडॉक, आपकी परेशानियों का कॉस्मिक सॉल्यूशंस।
So, judges, this particular slide is gonna be the most interesting and most, most important slide in this presentation. I've added the campaign strategy we have tried to use is storytelling, as you have already seen the ad. I've mentioned few things here. The first one, the impact which this ad would have on the customers. Long-term brand equity. 4 very important words. Long-term brand equity. Such storytelling ads create a long-term brand recall value into the minds of the customers. The customers tend to remember the brand in the long term when they get such stories, such storytelling campaigns from the brand itself. Other than this, I have researched a little about the question you have asked the last time. What is the maximum, what is the audience from which the maximum revenue comes on? So it is 21 to 28 for Astrodoc as per businessdata.com is a website as per that. So what we have tried is we have tried to target the audience of the 16 to 18 or 14 to 18 kind of customer segment, because the revenue from that particular segment was kind of less. So this ad was targeting the student segment so that we can increase the market share of that particular target segment itself. Other than that, this ad will impact on a, presenting a problem solving thing to the customer audience, as well as it will help in removing the skepticism into the market. So that's a little about what we have thought while making this ad and all. And to mention, it was made just in the last one day, like last night itself. Just cause I and my friends were doing some good internships into some companies, so we didn't got, really, we tried, but we didn't got enough, time to do all those things. So we have made this ad in a little less time. So that's it about this ad, and thank you so much for this. And we are open to Q&A.
Ajay, why did you choose this problem statement to career wala? Why not break up with which you started your pitch?
Career wala problem statement हमने क्यों choose किया? So actually it is, being very honest, we were making it in a, as I already mentioned, short time, and we had 3 members within us. And to make it a little more, to have a problem statement of family, have a problem statement of, people who are in some other, love religious wall, we needed some more people and some more time to execute this. But we wanted to execute, definitely come here and present it. So that's why we thought that within ourselves, we can create this ad which will be, good for us. So that's why and again, we did that research for, the target segment, the maximum revenue was coming from age group of 21 to 28. And it made sense that making an ad for the target segment which we wanna pursue, we wanna target those people in 16 to 18 and so. And just because I was even more interested in astrology, I got to understand that it works awesomely. So that's why maybe.
अच्छा, मैंने सोचा because everyone is your brother and sister तो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.